All right, this video is to help you do the assignment for dimensional analysis in Algebra 1 Part A. So first, let me share my screen. Okay, now it says the maximum height of a vehicle that can passively safe under a bridge is 12 feet 5 inches. A truck measures 162 inches in height, which best explains whether or not the truck can pass safely under the bridge. All right, so we're going to need to convert 12 feet 5 inches here into inches. So we should know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So first we want to do 12 times 12, which is 144. And there's an extra 5 inches, so we need to add 5 to that, which makes it 149. Now we're comparing 162 with 149. So the truck is bigger than the bridge by 13 inches. So the truck cannot pass safely under the bridge. The truck is 13 inches taller than the maximum height. All right, let me erase all that good stuff. All right, now we need to convert currency. So we have 100 US dollars that we're trying to convert into yen. So $100 US dollars. Now, if dollars are on top, you can put that over 1. So dollars are on top in the numerator. We need US dollars on the bottom in the denominator. So we need to look at the conversion factor that has units over 1 US dollar. And if you look at the chart, it says 99.30487 yen in that column. Let me scoot down a little bit. There we go. $99.30487 yen over 1 US dollar. So we want to choose the first response. Two competing gyms each offer childcare while parents work out. Gym A charges $9 per hour of childcare. Gym B charges $0.75 per 5 minutes of childcare. Which comparison of the childcare costs is accurate? All right, so let's start with Gym A is already in dollars per hour, and that's probably a more reasonable way to look at the problem. So we'll start with Gym B, which is $0.75 or 75 cents per 5 minutes of childcare. Now we want to convert this into dollars per hour. So we don't want minutes, we want hours. That means we want minutes on top. So we can cancel out the minutes. And there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. All right, so now we need to multiply across. 0.75 times 60 is 45. 5 times 1 is 5. And then 45 divided by 5 is 9. And that's in dollars per hour. Let's see, dollars per hour. So Gym A is $9 per hour. Gym B is $9 per hour. That means Gym B and Gym A charge the same hourly rate for childcare. All right, here we're looking at a problem where we need to find the average. So to find an average, we want to add up all these numbers, 26.1 plus 24.3 plus 32.8 plus 18.2. And then we want to divide that number by 4 because we just added up 4 numbers. So 26.1 plus 24.3 plus 32.8 plus 18.2 is 101.4. Divide that by 4, we get 25.35. But notice all these are rounded to the nearest tenth, which is 1 decimal point after the decimal place. So we need to round this to the nearest tenth, and 0.35 will round up to 0.4. So our answer actually is 25.4. We don't want to get any more specific than that because the numbers we were given were rounded to the nearest tenth. All right, so during a catered lunch, an average of 4 cups of tea are poured per minute. 4 cups per minute. The lunch will last 2 hours. So we want minutes to cancel out here. There is 120 minutes in 2 hours. And how many gallons of tea should the caterer bring if there are 16 cups in 1 gallon? We want cups to cancel out. And 1 gallon. So cups cancel out, minutes cancel out. Now we've got gallons per hour. So 4 times 120 is 480. Divided by 32. Hold on a second. 480 divided by 32 is 15. 15 gallons per hour. The lunch will last 2 hours. So it's at 15 gallons per hour, and it lasts 2 hours. We want to do 15 times 2, so 30 gallons. All right. All right, a white-tailed deer can sprint at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. American bison can run up to speeds at 3,520 feet per minute. So 3,520 feet per minute. We want to convert this to miles per hour. We want minutes to cancel out. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Now we want feet to cancel out as well. So we have 5,280 feet underneath 1 mile, because then feet will cancel out, minutes will cancel out, and we have miles per hour. So 3,520 times 60 divided by 5,280 is 40. So a bison can run 40 miles per hour, and a deer can run 30 miles per hour. So the bison is faster by 10 miles an hour. All right, we're going to skip 7. Now this one, we just have to look at 1.35261 and then 1.35. So we can't round it like that. So the rounded conversion will not give an accurate answer. And using the more accurate conversion factor will give an answer that can be rounded to 2 decimal places. All right, that's the end of this video. Please let me know if you get stuck on another topic and I will record another video for you. Thank you.